Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to use Google Calendar step-by-step tutorial as a beginner. So first of all, why Google Calendar? So Google Calendar is a time management and scheduling calendar service which is developed by obviously Google. So it allows you to create events, appointments and schedule for specific dates and times. You can also invite other people to your events and schedule appointments with them. Google Calendar is available on the website and as a mobile app, as we all know, and it can be synced with other calendar application like Outlook or even Apple Calendar. So you can just all can gather, you know, even though if your customer is or your client or your partner is not using Google, you can just sync everything with them. It's a useful tool for organizing your schedule and staying on top of your appointments and events. So how you can do that and how you can get access to it? We all know how we can get access to it. How? Once you are in your google.com, and on the top right corner we have this, and if you can click on it, you will find multiple options over here, and you have calendar over here. Click on that and it will take you right away to our calendar. So as you can see over here, this is the first time I'm opening this, and on website actually, and we are going to tell you every single thing like what you can do and what elements we have here right now. On the top left we have calendar, and if you click on this main menu, you can just minimize that. If you click on that, it will show up again, right? We have our create, which we will talk about this later. Right now just leave it at this, and we have our month over here to navigate quickly. So right now we are at uh you know third Jan, and you can see these are the time right now. And what you can do, just click on 4, and you can just skip every single thing, every single day if you want, every single week. You can even skip your uh month. So it's very easy way to utilize this month. On the top left corner we have our people. If you have any people over here like in your Google, you could just search them over here, and you could just add them over to your calendar so they can just keep up with your task and event and every single thing. After that we have our calendar. So you can see that all of them have been you know categorized with different colors. Reminders is dark blue, task is like lighter blue, and uh, for myself is like light, very light blue, and birthdays are like green, and holidays in Pakistan is like dark green. So Google does this by themselves, and you can just edit them also. If you want, you could just click on that and you can just change the colors if you want. Display this only, and if you want display this, you can just click on settings and sharing. You can just show that, if you want to hide that from any person if you have added, so you can just also do that. We have our other calendars, and if you click on add other calendars, you can see the subscribe to other calendars, create new calendars, browse calendar for of interest, form from URL, import if you want to import some. So if you click on create new calendar, it will take you right over here. You can just name that, um description, time zone, and who on that. You have your subscribe to calendar, whoever you have added to your Google account, they will show up over here. And you have your browser calendar for interest, all of the sports or other things. If you want to add, you can also do that. It's very easy. And even though global religious holidays are also available over there, if you want to add that to your calendar, you can do that. um you have your URL, obviously. You have your more, birthdays and myself and holidays in Pakistan. You could just add that if you want, and obviously you can just categorize them with different colors, right? you know and after that we have on the top today. So this is today, right? If you click on that, it will show you the time and every single thing over here. And you have your like next week. If you click on that, these arrows, this will show you next week's, and just to navigate very quickly, you know. And you have your month over here. Obviously on the top right corner we have search, and you can just search anything. Just suppose this is an event, right? New Year's Day. So if you click on New Year's, it will easily show up very, very quickly. So obviously this is Google, and you know how fast Google is. So to search this, to search any event from over here, any event, any reminder, you can just do that from over here. And you have your settings. It's very simple, and you have your weeks, days, and every single thing over here. So right now we are going to create a reminder and every single thing, you know. So what do you need to do? You need to click on create, and you can just create your task or event. So I'm just going to create an event, and you can see it end up on the like today, and you can just change that later on. So whenever you are going to add an event, make sure to click on first of all on more options, so it will show up more options in a way like this. So add title. For this tutorial I'm just going to write demo. You have your date. You can just change that from over here. If you click on that, you can see that we have our month. So over here you can even select your, no, all those dates if you want. So if you want to change that for the next two couple weeks, you can just do that also. You can set the timer if you want, and you have your, same thing. You can just set that over here. After that, you can just set that if you want to set this event for every day, you can just click on this, but obviously we don't want to do that. You can add Google Meet video conference. So if you are like creating this for a meeting for next 2 week, you can just add that over here. So people, when people get their notification about this event, they can easily join in very quickly. Just they need to just click on that, right? After that we have our location. If you want to add location, notification, and you know how it works, you can see that 30 minutes, or it's all on you how you are going to do that. You can just invite others, see guest list, and modify event if you want, add guest if you want. Like you can just add that from over here right away. This is me, right? You can just change the color like to categorize ourselves from others. You have your free and business busy, your activity and status activity, and you have your description at the bottom. So you have your public, private, and default visibility. What it does, like this event could be public, private, or default visibility. So I'm just going with the default, it's all on me. And we have description, so you can just add description like why we are going to set up this meeting. So after that, just click on save, and it will be saved. As you can see, event has been saved. So if I go at 17, you can see we have that over here. And if you want to disable all of your tasks, just click on that, and reminders obviously and every single thing, you can just easily do that from over here. Not turn off, they will just get hidden, they won't get turned off. And if you want to edit this again, just click on there and edit event, and you can see you can just edit them over again, over here again. Click on more options. You can just delete it, to duplicate it, publish event again, change owner if you want, if you have added someone, and you can even also print this. But and I'm just going to delete it because this is a demo, right? So I hope you understand every single thing. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and this is one of the best tool out there, Google Calendar. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.